Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tropical sorbet. First, select your favorite ripe tropical fruits, like mango, pineapple, or passion fruit, ensuring they are at their peak flavor. Next, you'll need to prepare a simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and water, heated until the sugar dissolves. This syrup is crucial for both sweetness and achieving that wonderfully smooth sorbet texture. Remember to chill all your ingredients completely before moving to the next step. Now let's get those fruits ready. Peel and chop your chosen tropical fruits into small, manageable pieces. This helps them blend more easily. Combine the chopped fruit with your chilled simple syrup in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform, with no large chunks remaining. For an extra silky sorbet, strain the blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any fibrous pulp or tiny seeds, ensuring a perfect consistency. With your smooth, chilled fruit mixture ready, it's time for the magic to happen. Pour the mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. You're looking for a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream. Once it reaches this stage, transfer the sorbet to an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 3 to 4 hours to firm up completely before serving. When you're ready to enjoy your delicious tropical sorbet, take it out of the freezer about 10 to 15 minutes beforehand to allow it to soften slightly. This makes it easier to scoop and enhances its creamy texture. Serve it in chilled bowls or glasses, perhaps garnished with a few fresh fruit pieces or a vibrant sprig of mint for an elegant touch. It's the perfect, refreshing treat on a warm day. For more great reads, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.